Welcome to the viewers of the Best Reviews channel. Today, we're counting down 5 remarkable flyers, from creator-friendly to mission-critical, so you can match the right tool to your next project. We're going in descending order, so let's launch. Number 5. Insta360 Antigravity A1. If you've ever watched a shot and wondered, how did they even pull that off? This is the kind of rig built to make those moments happen. Think creator first, dramatic perspectives, ultra-smooth motion, and that unmistakable Insta360 polish. It's the pick for filmmakers and vloggers who want dynamic, gravity-defying moves without lugging around a studio. If your goal is to stand out on social feeds with clean, cinematic motion and clever angles, the Antigravity A1 is your creative spark plug. Number 4. Potensic ATOM 2. Travelers and beginners, this one's for you. The ATOM 2 aims to be the always-with-you foldable, quick to set up, simple to fly, and easy to trust. Expect intuitive controls, helpful safety features, and smart flight modes that make sweeping reveals and orbits feel effortless. It's light in the bag, steady in the air, and friendly on the learning curve. If you want vacation footage that looks planned, even when it wasn't, ATOM 2 delivers. Number 3. Holy Stone HS790. When you're ready to step up from entry level but still want value, the HS790 hits a sweet spot. It's a nimble, folding drone designed for everyday creators who want crisp visuals and reliable stability without a pro price tag. Expect straightforward setup, confidence-boosting return to home, and creative presets that help you nail those flybys and top-down reveals. Weekend filmmakers, real estate walkthroughs, family adventures. This is a practical workhorse that simply gets the shot. Number 2. WingtraRAY. Now we're talking serious field work. WingtraRAY is designed for mapping and surveying at scale. Think vertical takeoff and landing for tight sites, then efficient forward flight to cover big areas. With professional-grade payload options, you can capture consistent, high-overlap imagery for orthomosaics, terrain models, and inspections across construction, agriculture, and environmental monitoring. If your day involves ground control points, checklists, and deliverables with deadlines, WingtraRAY is built to bring accuracy and endurance to the job. Number 1. Teledyne FLIR Black Hornet 4. This is the nano-class scout that redefines small but mighty. Pocketable, whisper-quiet, and purpose-built for situational awareness, the Black Hornet 4 is designed to launch in seconds and deliver a live view where it matters. Over the wall, around the corner, or through complex terrain. It's engineered for professionals who need immediate intel with minimal footprint, offering stabilized imaging, low-light capability, and mission-ready reliability. Whether it's public safety, search and rescue, or security operations, the Black Hornet 4 is all about informed decisions. Fast. Choosing a drone is about fit, your skill level, your shoot, your mission. Think about where you'll fly, what you'll capture, and how quickly you need to deploy. Then match your pick to those needs, and you'll get better results every time. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If this countdown helped, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next roundup. Got a favorite we should test, or a question about any drone on today's list? Drop it in the comments. Until next time, fly smart and stay creative.